My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing out a sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. And it'll be right next to me, right there. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. Alright, so another car video. Jessica picked me up from work once again. She's handling some business on her phone, so she's in her little...
No, I'm not actually.
On her little work mode right there. Banker right there. Banker!
He's tired. We
Banker.
walked around LA.
There you go. Hey, they love when you're on camera. Anyway, yo, new pickup, which I didn't even expect to get a pickup today, but it's actually dropped today. I mean, I've seen this before. I saw this prior to me actually, I saw it on some websites prior to me getting the shoe. But when I went to work today and I saw the shoe and I was like, oh, you know what? I'm gonna get it. There was a couple reasons why I wasn't gonna get it, but we get into that later once we actually show the shoe. So just look at that. Foot Locker, shout out to Foot Locker. Just came directly out of it. Pause, that was a crazy statement right there. It just came directly out of it. But all right, you see this box? Ugh, I almost knocked my head off. I'm trying to do this with one hand, people, so y'all gonna have to bear with me. Doing this with one hand. Usually I got either her or, no, I usually got Harlem or Classic holding the phone or whatever like that. No, I don't want no sideways. Okay, she told me to put on the armrest right there. That look, it would look like this. No, we're not doing that. Anyway, see the plain brown box right here. Classic. No, I'm not talking about my son. That's a bar. Nike check right there. It reads Air Zoom Generation. The color is dark gray, wolf gray. I can't even pronounce what that other word is. Pike? Oh, I can't even pronounce that. I'm not even gonna try. Suggested retail price, I think was $180. I'm pretty sure it's $180. Size 8.5. So you know what? I hate that one. I hate that when I'm holding the camera. It looks like, because everything's gonna be backwards. You know what? Let me just flip it around real quick. I'll be right back. Hold on, 1 second. Be right back. Yeah, this is better. See, I don't like when the camera's facing me. They're using front face camera because all the words look backwards. So again, Air Zoom Generation, dark gray, wolf gray. Excuse me if the camera's shaking. It's because we're driving. That word right there, I don't know what it is, but you know, I went to public school in Baltimore City, so y'all gonna have to forgive me. Size 8.5. So you know what that means? Personal pair, no reseller here. All right, let's get straight to it. You haven't seen these either, so we're gonna show these. Boom! Oh, it's wrapped up like a newborn baby. Jesus, look at that. We got wrapper on top of wrapper. All right, and without further ado, oh my goodness, already seen these. Oh, we're gonna put it right there real quick. Let me close this box. Switch my hands real quick. Without further ado, we got the Air Zoom Generation. I'm gonna give it a real name to it. Lebron 1. All right. Then I got the got to show y'all everything like that. So yeah, Air Zoom Generation, aka the LeBron 1s, aka these are also called the cemented in history. I'll tell you why in a second why they're called that. But yeah, these are the LeBron 1s, meaning these are LeBron's signature, his first signature shoe. Excuse me, that came out way back in the old days of 2003. How old was you in 2003?
Me?
Yes, how old was you in 2000? In 2003, I think
24.
You was 20.
No, wait. 2003, I was 21. I was 21.
I think I was 16 or 17. I was something like.
You're 23, right? You said 2003, so that was an even number for you.
Yeah, I think I was.
No, you're 86.
Yeah. I think I was 16 or 17, something like that. I think I was 16, 17 because I know I graduated in 2004. So I was still in high school.
You were 17.
I was 17. I just turned. My birthday's in September.
You're 14. I mean, we're 4 years apart.
Yeah. So I was in high school while she was about to graduate college. Wow.
What? Yeah, right.
Wow. You are a predator. You are a sexual predator.
Oh my god.
Someone called what's that guy name? The guy name with the How to Catch a Predator.
Oh, Chris Hansen.
Chris Hansen. Someone called Chris Hansen. Anyway, Baker. I gotta randomly do that. Anyway, so yeah. This is his first signature shoe. If I'm not mistaken, I could be wrong. Somebody correct me in the comments below, but I think I'm right when I say this. He did not actually come out with this colorway. This is a new colorway that is not an original colorway. They released this, like I said, it's called Cemented in History because it's a play on yeah, hang on, we doing all this. As you see, she's driving like a mad person. They put out this colorway to represent LeBron, Pastor, and Kareem for the scoring title. So I got some information like I always do for you. I gotta keep y'all with the facts. Off of KicksOnFire.com. Wow, she's really whipping this thing. She is whipping. She is whipping. Side story real quick. Not side story, but you know everybody said I look like an American flag today. I was pretty pissed off about that.
Really? I would have said like Paris or France.
Actually, Ricardo said I think what'd he say? He said London. I think he said that.
Oh.
Yeah, he can. Anyway, I think I look nice. I think I look nice. Anyway, all right.
Nice.
Got some information off. I'm sorry down now. Got some information off of KicksOnFire.com. Shout out to KicksOnFire.com. It reads, Nike basketball will be bringing back the Nike Air Zoom generation. Again, excuse me. Now we're going through bumps and everything like that. We're in the hills right now, California. We're in the hills right now. So again, excuse me if the camera's shaking. Oh man, look at that view. Can y'all get that view right there? Look at that. It's too late. Y'all can't see it, but yeah. We living good over here. No, I'm playing. All right, Nike basketball will be bringing back the Nike Air Zoom generation in 2023 to celebrate the 20th anniversary of LeBron James' first signature shoe. One colorway set to release is the Nike Air Zoom generation Cemented in History, which is believed, so again, we're not confirmed, but is believed to celebrate LeBron James breaking the NBA scoring record. This new colorway of the model comes dressed in a dark gray, wolf gray, and what is that word? I cannot pronounce that. That's a big word.
Anthracite.
Whoa, she's Caucasian.
Anthracite.
Anthracite. Okay. Color scheme, what she just said. The grayscale upper is constructed in a mix of nubuck, suede, and mesh. It also comes with anthracite. Hits on the toe trim.
Yeah.
All right, hits on the toe trim, heel, eye stays, tongue, and heels atop a semi-translucent outsole. Retail was $190. I thought it was $180. The Nike Air Zoom generation Cemented History is expected to release on May 10th, which is today, which I will be releasing this video today if everything goes right. But I think I will be because, again, like I told y'all in the video below, video before, which was yesterday, that when I'm out and about like this, it's hard for me to release the video the same day I record it. But I still gotta, because we gotta go to a basketball banquet at 7. It is 4:57. By the time we get home, what time we get home?
We'll go to the gym. Oh, the 2 hours now?
Yeah, 5:30.
Yeah.
Oh, that's perfect time. That's perfect time. So yeah, this video will be up by today. So y'all will see it. Yeah. So we got a mixture of suede, nubuck, mesh upper right here. I don't know what they were talking about, the anthracite or whatever. What did he say? Was it that? I guess it was this right here, that wolf gray. And this material is kind of like a fur type material a little bit. I like nubuck or I mean suede, I guess, I don't know. But I like it. I like it. Like I said, I was going back and forth about whether or not I wanted to buy it or not. And I'm happy I am because I love LeBron James. That's my guy. And I do have his first games. The LeBron James first game, I think it was called. That'd be in the right there, little bubble right there above me. It might be on this side.
Sorry.
Oh, anthracite.
Anthracite.
Oh, it's the black then.
Anthracite. It's a charcoal color.
It's that right there.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's what it is. Anthractic.
Anthractic.
Okay,
Yeah.
anthractic.
I'm sorry, I was just repeating for myself.
Jesus. Anyway, is this right here? That's what it is. That going around and is on
practicing.
the. Yeah. So it's just the little liner right there around that right there. So that's what they. Oh, and it's right there on the. Let me try to get that right there on the eye stage right there. So, yeah. LeBron on the tongue. Right there. You probably can't see it. LeBron right there on the tongue. You see the crown right there. But I mean, I think it's a good shoe. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, it's plain. It's just a great shoe. But I think it's a good shoe. This right there you can peel off. That little blue sticker, you peel that off right there. What you think?
3.
Wow. Shit.
I don't like the aerial view of it. The top looks like a dad shoe.
Okay, but you gotta remember.
Like
You gotta remember. I'm gonna respect your grade. She gave it a 3. I'm gonna look at back here.
And he wants to go out the window.
Look at back here. I'm gonna respect your grade, but you gotta remember, this is a shoe based from 2003.
But still,
it's not a remake.
It wouldn't make me buy it.
In 2003, this was probably hot. And it's a LeBron's. It's his first signature shoe. I'm not trying to get you to put your grade up.
Yeah.
I'm just saying. I'm explaining why the shoe looks the way it looks in 2023. Like, this shoe wouldn't come out in 2003 as the first iteration of it.
Well, they should have re-released it.
Wow. Jesus.
I mean, I wouldn't be pressed to get that out.
So, but let me ask you a question then. And I'm glad y'all watching this. So, but you would buy a Jordan retro that was released in.
That I liked.
There's not too many retros Jordans that you have said you haven't liked. You may not like the colorway, but a lot of those Jordan comes from the 90s.
So that's okay. That it doesn't matter where it comes from. It's that look. I don't think I'd.
So
like
in
that
2003, you wouldn't like this?
Probably not.
I respect it.
No.
I'm not gonna get
the
this.
aerial view.
I'm looking at
No,
it.
for the shoulder camera.
What you mean? The area? You talking about the flat surface on the front?
Yeah, it looks like a dad shoe to me.
Listen, I'm not gonna get this a 3, and I'm not gonna get 3. I'm gonna give it a 6.
Oh wow.
That's above average because of history. I'm going. Not only is a LeBron first signature shoe, but it's just a LeBron shoe. Period. And I'm not saying that all LeBron shoes are good because they're not. I'm really only a fan of the 1s. I love the 1s. The 7s, the 8s, and maybe the 13s. Maybe I can't even think about the 13s. But really the 8s and 9s, I'm really a fan of the LeBron shoes. But damn, a 3 is low.
We can respect the story. You know how I love a story.
Got a good story.
And I go behind. So
This is the greatest play of all time shoe. His first shoe.
Take away the history of it, and it was just sitting on the shelf. It was just came out today. Would you buy it? Would you?
No.
Okay.
That's why I gave it a 6 though.
Okay. But
I
take
give it a
away
6.
that, what would your number be?
If I took away the history of the shoe,
If you took away the history of the shoe,
I would probably give it a 4.
Okay.
I'll give it a 4,
So close to mine.
a 4.5 at the highest, because a 5 is average, right?
Yeah.
I wouldn't give it an average shoe if it didn't have the history behind it. I'll give it a 6 because this colorway, I don't even like gray like that. This colorway is a nice gray though. This is
I
a
like the gray,
this
I
is
like
a
the
nice
material.
two-tone gray.
That's why I got a 3.
Yeah. Wow. Damn.
It's a nice color.
Jesus.
What do you call it, colorway?
Yeah, colorway.
And I do like the material. I don't like this mesh right here.
Okay.
I think it's random.
The mesh? Okay. She's talking about the mesh right here on this side. The netting. Okay. All right. Well, that's pretty much it. I mean, this is a very detailed, fun video. It will be out now. I'm gonna edit this video right now while we're in the car. So by the time I get to the house, get on my Wi-Fi, and it should be able to upload very, very fast. So this is a long video though, because this part right here is almost 10 minutes long. So, like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my Sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, y'all be notified. And as always, from me, host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, represent the whole Tune squad, represent Jessica, and Baker. Y'all know what to do. Hey, have a nice day.